Hello friends! So, is your car throwing the P0459 check engine code? If you're noticing a check engine light, a fuel smell, or maybe even some EVAP issues, this code could be pointing to a problem with the EVAP purge control circuit. In this video, I'll explain what P0459 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. Alright, so what is P0459? The P0459 code stands for EVAP Purge Control Valve Circuit High. Your car's evaporative emission control, or EVAP system, prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. The purge control valve directs these vapors to the engine for burning. So a P0459 code means the system is actually receiving higher voltage than it should. This can lead to excessive fuel vapor flow and honestly could cause some engine performance issues down the line. Here are some common symptoms you might notice with a P0459 code. First, the check engine light will probably come on. You might also notice a strong fuel smell around your car, maybe even reduced fuel efficiency. In some cases, the engine could idle a bit rough and yeah, you could fail an emissions test. If you ignore this issue, it could lead to increased fuel consumption and higher emissions overall. So where exactly can you find the components related to this code? To diagnose P0459, you'll want to locate these EVAP system parts. The EVAP purge control valve, or purge solenoid, is usually found near the engine intake manifold. Its job is to regulate the flow of fuel vapors into the engine. Then there's the EVAP vent valve, or vent solenoid, which is located near the fuel tank and allows fresh air into the system. Okay, so let's talk about a few more key components. The wiring harness and connectors run between the purge valve and the ECU. Then, you've got the charcoal canister, which is usually mounted near the rear of the vehicle and is responsible for storing fuel vapors. And don't forget the EVAP hoses and lines. These connect the whole system together, and you really want to check them for any cracks or leaks. Here's a quick tip. Use a multimeter to test the voltage at the purge valve. If the reading is abnormally high, there's probably a wiring or ECU issue going on. Now, let's go over some of the most common causes of a P0459 code. First, a faulty EVAP purge control valve. If it gets stuck open, it might allow too much vapor into the engine. Next, wiring or a short circuit. A damaged or frayed wire can cause higher voltage in the circuit. Third, a faulty ECU or a sensor malfunction. The ECU could be sending too much voltage to the purge valve. Fourth, a failed relay or fuse. A blown fuse can cause some really erratic voltage readings. And finally, a contaminated or blocked EVAP system. Dirt or debris inside the system can definitely cause malfunctions. So, how do you fix a P0459 code? Well, here are the first 3 steps. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0459 code. Step 2. Inspect the purge control valve. Look for any cracks, blockages, or if it's sticking. Step 3. Test the voltage. Just grab your multimeter and check the voltage going to the valve. It's really important to be thorough with each of these steps. Alright, so step 4 is to check the wiring and connectors. You'll want to look for any corroded, broken, or loose connections that could be causing the issue. Next, step 5. Replace the purge valve if needed. If you find that it's faulty, just go ahead and install a new one. Finally, step 6. Clear the code and take your car for a test drive. After you've made the repairs, erase the code and see if it comes back. So, the P0459 code is usually caused by a voltage issue in the EVAP purge control circuit. Fixing this problem will help improve your fuel efficiency and keep your emission control system working properly. If you want more car troubleshooting guides, definitely check out these videos next. P0200, which covers injector circuit malfunction, and P0201, all about injector circuit or open issues for cylinder 1. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.